So at this point, I believe that Christmas sales are done, right? The trees are drying, the bills are back, and you are wondering, was that little side hustle just a December flick? Guys, this is the truth of it. The smartest creators don't choose seasons. No, they recycle them. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn your one-time Christmas buyers into loyal customers who pay you all year round. Remember the title says from holiday sales to all year round income, right? Now, first of all, you need to post your holiday opportunities. Yes, most people choose and close their shops after December 25th. Some close before then or after then, right? That is it. Now, January is when your buyers actually have time to think, to organize, and to plan. That is when you help them again. Now, this is the key insight. Now, January, you need to this January is a period to reset season, right? And consumers look for planners, they look for fitness tools, they look for budgeting aids, right? Now, your existing Christmas audience already trust you. So you need to sell them the next solution. Guys, if you have sold your Christmas planners, please release a New Year reset plan. You understand? And if you have promoted a gift guide, you need to build a New Year deals guide. And if you freelance your holiday brand, please pitch Valentine campaign packages. This can actually help you to, to start the year right. Then another thing you should also know and consider is building your buyers list. You understand? Never you for once rely on platforms alone. Your buyers on ST, Gumroad, or Fever must become your audience. Now, these are step by step guides on how you can actually start this. First of all, you need to create a simple opt in page, your Malolite or Convert kit. You understand? Then go ahead and offer a bonus, maybe a free January checklist or next holiday guide. Then add the link inside every order delivery message. Then send in your weekly value. Please do not spam people's DM. That is going to be disastrous. And it is very, very wrong. I don't recommend it and I don't support it. Do you understand? Now, trust me, email is a digital real estate. So every subscriber is a future customer that doesn't cost to add money. No, then also, automating your income helps a lot. Automation turns your hustle into an asset. So you need some tools and tactics. And tools you need your Canva plus Zapier or your auto-publish promo graphics. Then later or buffer, then schedule post months ahead. Then your Gumroad or workflows, you need to send discount codes to repeat your buyers. Okay. Now, auto response series can be thank you, maybe it's a helpful tip or new year offers. So these are the things that can actually help you to build that email list. Now, you've worked hard in December, right? Let the system keep selling while you rest in February. Your body needs rest, and that is the truth of the matter. So, you also need to expand your product line. And the easiest way to grow is the sideways, not upward. Now, these are the bundle ideas. You have your Christmas planner and quarterly. You have your planner bundle, that is your quarterly also. Then you also have your gift guide and seasonal guide series, which is maybe your Valentine, your Mother Day, or Black Fridays. So that is just it. So freelance design gig and monthly retainer package. So each new offer uses 80% of what you already made. Just refresh it for the next season. Okay, then also your content that keeps selling matters. Videos and post live forevers. One good tutorial can actually earn you years of income. For example, maybe you need to start a maybe make a video on a title, maybe how I made my what is it called, $500 on Etsy with free template, maybe affiliate guide gift that sells in January, or freelancer tips for holiday clients. You understand? So you need to optimize your old content for new search terms. Swap Christmas for New Year or Valentine and update thumbnails. Updating your thumbnails helps a lot. You understand? Then also, turning one time buyers into fans. People don't just buy from brands, they buy from people they recognize. So, connection checklist, reply to every comment for 48 hours after posting. Then also feature your customer stories in next videos and learn how to create a community post. Community posts like, what do you want me to design next? Ask your community people some questions that can, keep the comment section bustling. You can use names in emails. Understand? So your buyers should at least feel like insider, not like a transactional base. No. Then also scaling beyond Christmas. So once you have a proof, or once you have proof a product sells, go ahead and duplicate the model. Hire a virtual assistant to manage your upload, then translate top selling items into other languages via Canva plus Depot. You understand? Run a small paid ad only on a warm audience, which is your email list or social media followers. Okay, so the difference between a hustler and an entrepreneur is your documentation. So you need to systemize what works this Christmas and repeat every quarter. Okay, so that is just it. Now, remember that December used to drain us, not only me, but most people. So you need to fund it. You understand? That is what building online income is all about. Creating freedom that outlists the season. So here is your next step, guys. You need to pick one product or services you sold this Christmas and make a version for the next holiday. Do it today. So if this Christmas income series helped you guys, please don't forget to like this video, comment, go to the comment section and type hashtag year round income, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell, because next month, guys, I'm dropping the ultimate 2026 online income roadmap. Until then, guys, keep learning, keep earning, and keep prospering. New Year. Once again, Happy New Year to you guys. See you guys in my next video upload.